Jesus Christ. It's the simple, easily taken for granted things that make me the happiest. Listen and listen good. I am not French. No Francois. And we're not taking a flight to Gay Paris. And this isn't going to be a light, fluffy, and airy celebration of perfection once it gets to your mouth. When I was a teenager, there was a diner in the middle of my hometown called Mr. B's. 9 times out of 10, or more like 99 times out of 100, I'd order a ham and cheese omelet with crinkle-cut French fries and a Coca-Cola. I'm making a pretty big damn omelet using 4 eggs and a splash of milk. The mixture of the saltiness of the ham and the saltiness of the French fries and the sweetness of the Coke were near perfection. A little country ham, brown sugar, and Coca-Cola. And boil this baby down. I don't eat omelets just for breakfast. As a matter of fact, I hate breakfast. I eat them at any time of the day. So you got the salt and the sweet. You want to cook this on medium-low heat. I had it a little too hot. The egg expands tremendously as you cook it. Once you dig into this thing, get ready for some cheese. It's an almost overwhelming amount of cheese. And no, I'm not even going to try to flip this big son of a bitch. I'm not a professional omelet flipper. Lord only knows where it would end up. Heck, I might flip this thing up into the ceiling fan. Just use a spatula to lift up the edges and give it a little fold. Clean up catastrophe. Is this perfect? In the shadow of the Eiffel Tower? No! This looks burnt, but it's not. I kinda like a leathery skin on the outside of an omelet. This omelet was a behemoth. Jesus Christ.